Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today it is a gorgeous day in Florida. It's 71 degrees. Couldn't ask for a much nicer day. So today I'm going to do a couple returns, and when I'm at the stores I'm going to show you guys what they have out for Valentine's Day and spring. And I'll be heading over to Hobby Lobby, Target, and then over to Kirklands. So let's see what I can find. guys, just got back from shopping. So before I show you what I got over at Hobby Lobby, I am super excited to tell you guys that today I reached 100 subscribers. So I want to thank all 100 of my subscribers for the support. And if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe because I will have a lot of DIY projects and decorating ideas. So I want to thank everyone again. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That really made my day. So as you can see, I am standing in my laundry room, and this is going to be my next project. I think I'm going to do a laundry room makeover. So let me go ahead and show you what my laundry room looks like. So this is a sign I got over at Hobby Lobby. Now all their wall decor was 50% off, so I paid about $15 for this. Now I do want to do a laundry room makeover. So my idea for this is to put it on this back wall, and I bought a couple hooks. Because I do want to hang up my ironing board and I want to keep it off the floor. I think that would be a cute idea to have it hanging on the wall because I don't have a lot of room here in my laundry room. Now, the first thing I did was I went ahead and removed my laundry basket and my broom and my Swiffer and tried to clear this out so I can get an idea of what I want to do in here. Now, on this back wall, you can see I have some border that I want to remove. And I also want to get rid of this paint on here, pick a nice new color. So if you guys have any paint colors you'd like to see my laundry room done in, let me know. And also on this wall here, I have this small laundry picture here, but it's too small for the wall. So I definitely need something over here. Now I do have my coffee bar around the corner, so there's not a plug-in. So I have a black cord that runs around the wall and gets plugged in. So I definitely want to hide the black cord on this wall somehow. Now over here, my idea is I have this metal shelf that I really want to get rid of. I'd like to put a cabinet up here, maybe some floating dark wood floating shelves. I think that would look real nice and give it a farmhouse look. And then over here, I do have a plastic sink I want to get rid of. So this is the rug that I purchased from Big Lots, and I really like the colors in it because it matches my washer and dryer. And that's one of the first things that I bought was the rug. And then over here is my plastic wash tub that I do want to replace with a nice vanity. And then, I don't know if you'll be able to see because the light's going to probably be bright, but I would like to put a nice hanging chandelier in here. It would have to be something small, but I think that would give it a nice look. So I hope you guys enjoyed shopping with me today. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, happy decorating!